Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to export your photos in your Snapseed app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already downloaded Snapseed app in your device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open a Snapseed app. Here we go. At the middle section, you can see that plus icon. Tap on that. Now choose any of the photo to edit first. Here I go. Now here I will be editing this photo. And then after you edit this photo, you can easily export this photo by tapping on export, which is given at the bottom right corner. Tap on that. Now here you can see different options as share, open in, save or copy, export. You have to tap on export in this way. Now this photo is successfully exported in your gallery. Also, you can share this photo to your social medias or anywhere you want to. In this way, you can easily export your Snapseed photos. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.